ice, ice cream, idea, identify, if, ignore, ill, illegal, illness, image, imagination, imagine, immediate, immediately, impact, importance, important, impossible, improve, improvement, in, inch, include, including, income, increase, increase, indeed, independence, independent, indicate, industrial, industry, influence, influence, informal, information, injure, injury, insect, inside, 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 insist, instead, instruction, instrument, insurance, intelligence, intelligent, intend, intention, interest, interest, interested, interesting, intermediate, international, internet, interrupt, intersection, interview, into, introduce, introduction, invent, invention, investigate, investigation, invitation, invite, involve, involved, iron, iron, island, issue, it, item, its, itself.
Icon, ideal, ideal, ideally, identical, identification, identity, idiom, idiot, that is, ignorance, ignorant, illustrate, illustration, imitate, imitation, immense, immigrant, immigrate, immigration, implement, implication, imply, import, import, importantly, impose, impress, impression, impressive, improved, inability, inadequate, inappropriate, inbox, incentive, incident, incorrect, increasingly, incredible, incredibly, index, indication, indirect, individual, individual, individually, indoor, indoors, inequality, inevitable, inevitably, infant, infect, infection, inferior, infinite, infinitive, inflation, inflict, influential, inform, ingredient, inhabit, inhabitant, inherit, initial, initial, initially, initiative, inject, injection, injured, ink, in, inner, innocence, innocent, innovation, input, inquiry, inspect, inspection, inspector, inspiration, inspire, install, installation, instance, instant, instantly, instinct, institute, institution, instruct, instructor, insufficient, insult, insult, insulting, insure, intellectual, intense, intensive, intentional, interact, interaction, interactive, interfere, interference, interior, internal, interpret, interpretation, interval, intervene, intervention, interview, invade, invasion, invest, investigator, investment, investor, invisible, involvement, irrelevant, irritate, irritated, irritating, issue, IT. Iceberg, icy, idealistic, identifiable, ideological, ideology, idiomatic, idle, idle, illicit, illuminate, illusion, imagery, imaginary, imaginative, imbalance, immaculate, immature, immensely, imminent, immune, immunity, impair, impartial, impatient, imperfect, impetus, implicate, implicit, importer, imposition, imprison, imprisonment, impulse, impulsive, inaccurate, incapable, incidentally, inclination, inclined, inclusion, inclusive, incompatible, incomplete, incomprehensible, inconsiderate, inconsistent, inconvenient, incorporate, incur, indecisive, indefinite, indefinitely, indicative, indicator, indict, indictment, indifference, indifferent, indispensable, indistinguishable, individuality, induce, indulge, industrialist, industrialized, ineffective, inefficient, inexpensive, inexperienced, infamous, infectious, infer, inference, infinitely, informant, informative, informed, infrastructure, infringe, ingenious, inherent, inheritance, inhibit, inhibition, initiate, injustice, inmate, innate, innovative, input, inquire, insane, inscription, insecure, insert, insight, insignificant, insincere, instant, instinctive, institutional, intact, integral, integrate, integration, integrity, intellect, intellectual, intensify, intensity, intent, intent, intercept, interface, interim, interior, interpreter, interrogation, interviewer, intimate, intimidate, intolerable, intolerance, intricate, intrigue, intrinsic, introductory, introvert, intrude, intruder, intrusion, intuition, invalid, invalidate, invaluable, invariably, inventory, inverted comma, invoice, inward, ironic, ironically, irony, irrational, irregular, irresistible, irresponsible, isolate, isolated, isolation, itch, itchy, ivory,